Key principles of creating one app UI design usually adhere to the following rules. Making it easy for the users to get what they need from the app is the main thing. Making navigation predictable. There's something called the 3-click rule that we follow. There's a little follow-up video that you can watch on that. Following the basic laws of app navigation include such things as keeping the X in the top right corner, back button in the left corner, having a clear prioritised page design so that the flow makes sense to the user. You also need to ensure that your app has a consistent brand image and that the designs remain consistent in terms of buttons and text and fonts. Minimise input and commitment from the user. Loading should also be really fast and well communicated. Same with errors. Any errors that do happen should be handled well and communicated clearly to the user. And then just optimising for various screen types and for accessibility issues such as bigger fonts, things like that.